Happy Thanksgiving, turkey birds. Still working on the 1941 Buick. Almost road ready. It's got a few details to work out. Some fine tuning issues. I'd adjust the clutch. Got to remove the steering wheel. Figure out why the amp gauge isn't working. Look at the shifter. I tried to drive it and it broke. So that's a big problem, but I'm gonna have to take it apart and see what happened. And then I'll fix it. Whatever it is, I fix it. But other than that, the car is ready to go. I've test driven it, and that's when I broke the shifting lever. Very dusty, but in all, it looks pretty good. The interior is all finished. Got this cover on the seat. Feel protected while I'm still working on it. But won't be too much longer, and I'll be driving this down the road.